Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this little octopus toy. Use it as a cat toy. Okay, so all you need is some cotton yarn, scissors, a 3mm crochet hook, a yarn needle and some stuffing. Okay, to start you want to make a slip knot. And chain 2. 1, 2. Okay, then go back into the first chain and make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now you want to increase from 6 to 12, so 2 single crochets in each stitch around. One, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so now you want to increase from 12 to 18. So 1 single crochet in the first one and increase in the next stitch. 1, okay, 1 single crochet and 1 increase in the next stitch. Okay, now that you have 18 around, you want to increase to 24. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 increase in the third stitch. Okay, so 2 single crochets and an increase. Okay, so now that you have 24 around, you just want to increase to 30. So 3 single crochets and an increase. 1, 2, 3, and increase all the way around. Okay, so once you have increased to 30 single crochets around, you just want to do 3 rows of 3 rows of single crochets. Okay, so no increases, just 1 single crochet in each stitch for 3 rows. Okay, so just pause here and do that, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so now you've done your 3 rows of 30. This is what it should look like. We're going to start to decrease, so we want to go down to 24. So single crochet 3, 1, 2, 3, and then go through the front loop of the next stitch and the front loop of the next one. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so you want to do that all the way along, so 3 single crochets and a decrease. One, 2, 3, and a decrease. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now that I've decreased down to 24, you just want to do 1 row of 24 all the way around. Okay, so just 1 single crochet in each stitch until you get back to the start. Okay, so once you decrease down to 24 and you did 24 around, you now want to decrease down to 18. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 decrease. Okay, so 2 single crochets and a decrease. All right, and once you do that all the way around, you just want to do 1 row of 18. Okay, so now that I've decreased to 18 and done 1 row of 18 around, we need a decrease to 12. So 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Okay, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Okay, so you do that all the way around. 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. And then you just want to do 1 row of 12 single crochets after that. Okay. Okay, so now that we decreased to 12 and then did 12 single crochets around, I've stuffed it. This is the easiest time to stuff it. And then once you've done that, you want to decrease to 8. So you want to do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Okay. So you want to do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 4 times. Okay, so now that we have 8 single crochets around, we want to start making the legs. So go into the next stitch, front loop only. Okay, single crochet, and in this one I chained 36. I'm just going to chain 31 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, so that last one is your turning chain. So you want to 2 single crochets in each chain. Okay, 2 in there. Okay, so when you do 2 in each stitch, it starts to curl around. So 1, 2. Okay, so that's how it looks after you've done 2 single crochets in each chain. So once you get back to the start, you want to slip stitch back into that front loop where you made the single crochet. Just do a slip stitch. Okay, then go into the front loop of the next one. Single crochet, and then chain however many you want to make. Okay, and I'll show you, so it's just 1 leg in each of the 8 front loops. Okay, I'll show you how it looks once I've done that. Okay, so this is how it looks after I've done all the legs. If this is a cat toy, you can add some catnip to the stuffing, but my cats have too many toys, so I'm going to make it into a keychain. Okay, to finish it off, you want to decrease from 8 single crochets down to 6, and you want to work in the back loops. They're very hard to see, but that's the first one there. Okay, so 1 single crochet in the first one, one single crochet in the second one, and then you want to decrease the next 2. Okay, so there's 1, there's the second one, okay. Then just do that once more. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and then 1 decrease. Okay, so once you've decreased down to 6 or close enough to, you just want to cut your yarn, pull that bit out, and you just want to go into the front loops of each of those 6 stitches. Okay, try not to get the leaves tangled. Okay, pull it tight. And then you just want to thread the yarn back through the head. Hide the yarn tails. Okay, so this is a good cat toy, or I'm going to use it for a keychain. And yeah, just make the legs as long or as short as you want. Cats like the longer ones. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.